The spot-billed pelican is one of the India's largest and most majestic water bird, often found in large lake, wetlands and reservoir in southern and eastern part of the country. During the breeding season, something truly spectacular happens. Their dull grey plumage transforms slightly, the pink facial skin brightens, and the distinctive spot appears more defined on the massive bill. Male begins the courtship display by proudly stretching their neck and flapping their wings, while female responds with subtle neck movement and soft grunts. Eventually, the pair engage in synchronized bill clattering, a gentle but rhythmic dance, and it strengthens their bond. Once the bond is formed, the male collects sticks and branches, while the female carefully builds the nest high in tree near water. Their nesting colonies can hold hundreds of birds, each pair communicating visually and vocally to protect their space. Watching the mating ritual of the spot-billed pelican reminds us how coordinated and graceful these massive birds can be, an incredible glimpse into the law of life of India's most iconic wetland giants.